basically we are at the spot right now. I think there is like nobody, so that's pretty great. I'm pretty sure I will have like great reception. Overall, there is not so much like building, trees and stuff. I don't think I can go behind the bridge because it's a big mass of concrete, and the reception is probably going to be bad, so I'm going to stay in front of it, on top of it, maybe go a bit behind that, but nothing too crazy. Just want to get the dive. Just gonna put a battery on this baby, start the GoPro, and let's go.